It's on fire.
As soon as the plane landed, we smelled this weird, like, burning plastic smell, and then everybody started screaming and saying there was a fire.
So I was just holding my breath and just barely breathing and trying to get out of there as fast as I could.
Well, there's people, yeah.
It was just a bunch of panicky people around me, and the gentleman right next to me was a fireman, so he was trying to calm everybody down. And, you know, a lot of people were screaming profanities and things like that, like, get the door open, you know.
People are going down the slide.
Oh my gosh. Those must be passengers. Yeah, it's gotta be.